Hi folks, here's a real quick, easy tip on Volvo Intermittent Wipers. To turn on the intermittent wipers, you just move the stock switch forward. The wipers will cycle every 10 seconds. So what if you want them to cycle faster than that? Well, what you got to do is wait for them to finish the cycle and then shut the switch off. Let's say we want them to cycle every 2 seconds. Here's how you do it. After they stop, off, 1, 2, back on. Now, they cycle every 2 seconds. You can do that at any interval you want, up to 10 seconds. Just shut the switch off after they cycle, count it out, turn it back on. Simple as that. So if this video or any of my videos helped you out, maybe consider checking out my Patreon page. For just $1 a video, you could really help out the channel and keep these videos coming. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.